Welcome. Today we're going to study about regular expression or java.util.regex package inside Java. Or we're going to start with what regular expression is. Regular expression. Okay, regular expression is some expressions. Okay, some input string actually that keep appearing. That's why keep appearing in some pattern. Okay, keep appearing in some pattern. Okay, that's why it's called regular expression. Okay, regular expression. Some expressions just regularly happen. Okay, or it happens. It's just regularly appears. Okay, that's why it's keep appearing in some pattern. Let's just give an example. Let's say in our university we have the student with ID which is often like GT000 and 01 like GC000 1 or a GT again 0 sorry 2 then GC again 000 3 okay or G something GT or C okay C000 4 okay so actually it's there are many inputs, 1 input, 2 input, 3 input, 4 inputs, but they keep appearing in some regular patterns or some regular expression, okay, or it's keep appearing in form of the same patterns, but it keep appearing. That's why it's called keeps appearing. That's why it's called regular, regularly appears, or it's called regular expression. So or we can describe this regular expression as this one. It start with, okay, you can describe it, this one in English, that is going to start, okay, with G or C, okay, start with G or C, then it's going to so start with G, okay, start with G, then followed by C or T, followed by G or C or T, and then it's gonna have followed by 5 digits, okay, followed by 5 digits, then N, okay. So this pattern can be described in English this way. Okay, that one is in English. Then there is a need inside Java. There is a need inside Java. Okay, there is a need inside Java that given an input string. Okay, can we first describe the same pattern like this pattern, but in Java. Okay, in Java. Okay, can we describe it? After describing it, can we how to say use it to match against the input? Okay, okay, to match again a given inputs. Okay, so in Java, let's say not given. Okay, in Java, can we describe the same pattern in Java? Describe the patterns. Okay, the pattern in Java already. So can we describe the patterns? Okay, and can we use it to match against a given input? Okay, to match against a given inputs. Okay, this one are the two main tasks of regular, where regular expression comes in. Okay, these are the two tasks where the regular expression comes in, and the first part we will learn about how can we describe the pattern. Okay, how can we describe the pattern? In order to describe the patterns, we're going to have the two definitions. First, the first one is string literal. Okay, the string literals are the string constants. What does that mean, string constants? It means when you write ABC, it just means ABC. Okay, when you write ABC, it just means ABC. It doesn't mean anything else. So you may have a question. So what is not ABC? You know, you are going to have other things which are meta characters. Example, meta characters is when you write, let's say, slash n inside a string. Okay, it doesn't mean this doesn't mean slash n at all. Okay, it doesn't mean slash n at all. It means a new line. Okay, this means a new line. So it's not just like ABC. ABC is string literal. ABC is string literals. When you write ABC, it just means ABC. But this one is only this one only means how to say just this one. When you write slash n, it doesn't mean slash n. It means a new line. So it's just meta characters or characters which is to represent some other characters. Okay. So we're going to learn in Java. We're going to learn the character classes. Okay, we're going to learn character class. And here is the list of character classes that I just prepared. So if you have a square bracket and another square bracket, then you have ABC. This one only means A or B or C. This is one single one. Or this one means anything but not A, not B, not C. This one means from A to G up and or from A to G. Okay, so on and so forth there. Okay, and you can have other predefined character classes as well. Let's say this one is any character, this one is a digit, this one is not a digit, so on and so forth there. Or you can have this one, or you can have this one. Okay, or you can have this one which is beginning of the lines, so on and so forth there. We're going to go through each one of them. Okay, we're gonna go through each one of them. Okay. So we're going to describe this one in English. So you're going to describe whether it's going to start with, okay, start in order to specify the start is going to use this dollar sign. Okay, sorry, this hat sign. Okay, then with G, so you're going to have a string letter G, then followed by C or T. So if C or T, you're gonna put C or T. This one is a character class. Okay, C or T, one of them. Then it's following by 5 digits. So you're gonna put D5. Okay, you're gonna put the 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digits. Then it's going to be n, so you're gonna put this one n. So actually you could describe the pattern like this, okay, or describe in English like this by a string literal like this. So this one is going to be start, okay, start with G, then followed by C or T, then it's going to be 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digits, okay, and it's going to be n. It's going to be this way. Okay, it's going to be in that way. So now you're going to learn about how can we use Java. That one is how to describe the pattern. Then you're going to use it to match against the input. Okay, use it to match against the input. So you're going to have several of the Java classes. Okay, in order to match against that input. The first class, which is pattern, which is to compare from the string that describe the pattern to Java object. Why do we need Java object? Because we're going to use methods from that pattern object in order to work with our regular expression. Then we're going to have another class which is the matcher. This one is helping us to find matches. Okay, find matches. Okay, so let's just give an example over here. So we're going to create a new project. Okay, this one is regular expression demo. Okay, regular expression demo. So we need to create a regular expression demo. So the first we need to have the description string pattern string equal to, it's going to be this string. Okay, it's going to be this string. going to be this string. So you're going to start with hat, or you start with G, then followed by start with, okay, G, then followed by C or T, one of the only. So square brackets operator is going to help us to do that. Then one slash D is for 1 digit, okay, slash D is for 1 digit. So this slash D is for 1 digit, and we have 5 digits, so we're going to put this one 5 digits. Inside one slash, outside here, and if it is inside a string, it must be 2 slashes because this one is meta characters. Okay, 1 slash doesn't mean, if you need 1 slash, you have to put 2 slashes over there, 2 slashes over there. So from here you're going to add it this way. Then we're going to we're gonna compile into a pattern. Okay, this pattern is a Java util it's Java util .regex class. Okay, so you have import control space, so it's gonna do the import for you. Then you're going to have pattern equal to pattern dot compile. You're going to compile from that pattern string. So you're going to compile this string description into pattern object. From this pattern object, you're going to get the matcher object out of it. Okay, matcher object out of it. Matcher equal to pattern dot, okay, matcher. And what do you want to match against it? We need to have an input. Okay, we're going to have an input in order to match against it. So I'm gonna provide a string input equal to, let's say I'm gonna have GT0001. Let's see if it match or not. So we, in order to check if it matches or not, you're gonna do if matcher dot match. Okay, if matcher dot match, you're going to display match. Okay, else you're going to display does not match, or you're going to just say the input matches the pattern, or you're gonna say, okay, the input doesn't match the pattern. Okay, the input doesn't match the pattern. So if we execute this one, if you execute this one, you see the input matches the pattern. Okay, if you do something else, let's say you start with something else that's not G, okay, and you run this one, you see it doesn't match the pattern anymore. Or if you have, let's say, only 4 digits instead of 5, and you run this one, it doesn't match anymore. Or you're going to have, let's say, GC9, okay, and run, you see it does match the pattern because it's start with G followed by C or T and 9 digits. So if you don't, 5 digits, and if you don't follow by 5 digits, let's say you put it 6 digits, but this one you already say ended, okay, and you run this one, it just doesn't match anymore. Okay, it just doesn't match anymore. You see, that one is the meaning of regular expression and how to use it inside Java. So we'll have, let's say, we have some inputs which keeps appearing, 1 input, 2, 3, 4, and many more inputs. It keep appearing in same kinds of pattern. Okay, it just regularly appears in the same kind of patterns. And of course, you could use English to describe it. Okay, to describe it. Then you're going to use Java, and at the point of Java, can we use Java to describe this pattern using Java? Okay, then can Java match? Okay, can Java use that pattern? Okay, can Java use that pattern to match again some inputs for it, to check whether the inputs will appear in the same patterns or not? So in order to describe the pattern, you need several things. The first thing is the string literals. Okay, they are string constants like ABC, ABC. So they are just appearing as they are. Okay. Then the meta characters. Okay, the meta characters. Okay, the characters about characters. Okay, this one is a new line. Then Java classes, and next time we're gonna show you several more. Okay, because this one is out of time already. Next time I'm gonna show you several more.